Good tidings, TL, it's Israel fan number 1, and today I'm going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your shells for any of your merchandise. And what I mainly use is Take Along, Take and Play, and Adventures, and probably Trackmaster Push Along as well. So, you like to create something like this. Well, not this rolling stock specifically, the 20-ton brake van. Pretty much anything that comes up to your mind. Well, today we are going to be doing Bradford the brake van. Oh, sorry to brighten a bit. There we go. Today we're going to be doing Bradford the brake van. Before you ask in the comments, yes, I'm going to put him in my series as well. I plan to have him and Toad in a rivalry episode. So, let's get started, and let me turn on some light. There we go. So, what you need is whatever you're going to put your shell over, some tape, some paper, coloring utensils, crayon, marker, color pencils, you name it, and scissors, not this big, but I'm just using this. And let's see, like a pen and a pencil. Okay, so what you're going to do first is trace along this bit. There we go. So you have the flat 2D bit of the body complete. Step 2. Time you add the details on your custom. Yeah, what could be really helpful is that you can go on the wiki of Thomas, the Thomas wiki, and take a look at the livery. And you also like to take a look at some images of it. I would prefer this one because it shows his body overall. Let's do the design. Let's see. This is where the pen comes in. I mean, you can also do this in pencil as well, but I'm doing it in pen because, like, it shows a bit darker. Such. Also, I'm also using this as well because since Bradford's the same basis as this, I'm going to use that to create details. So, again with the time lapse. Here we go. Okay, finished. And there we have the whole layout of it completed. I know the face probably doesn't look like Bradford in the original series, but I try. So I'm just going to let the ink dry. Oh, wait, just a bit of a detail. Now step 3, the fun part, coloring. Now remember what the livery said. Okay, finally finished. Now, I kind of messed up a bit, like this doorknob here. So yeah, don't use pen. Scratch out the pen. Pen's probably not a good idea. Next, the tricky bit. I say tricky, like maybe it's a bit tricky for you guys. Like maybe consider having an adult be by your side when you do this. Up next, we are going to cut the model out. Although it's important to cut out by the edges. There we go. And now for the final step. Fold the pieces together. And tape the corners. You could do it on the outside or inside. And finished. And there you have it, folks. Perfect shell for your engine or rolling stock. And there we also have it, Bradford. Bradford the brake van. Well, that concludes this video. I hope you found this entertaining and fun. And if you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And this is Railfan number 1. And I'll meet you at the next station. Take care. You enjoying a nice hot cup of tea?
What the heck is going